A class is a blueprint for creating objects. It defines the properties, methods, and behaviors that an object can have. Classes enable object-oriented programming by allowing code to be structured, reusable, and maintainable. A class consists of fields, variables that store data, properties, controlled access to data, methods, functions that define behavior, constructors, special methods that initialize objects, and other members. An object is an instance of a class, meaning it holds real data and can perform actions defined in the class. For example, a car class can define properties like brand and color and methods like drive. Multiple car objects can be created from this class, each with different values for brand and color.